How's it going, everyone? Today, we're going to start a new project. This is a to-do list project. Um, this is not going to be a tutorial rather than a more of a code along, where I'm just going to write projects, and if you want to follow along, you can. So let's get started. I'm in VS Code here. This video is just going to be a short introduction, basically a short start, if you will. So we'll just get everything set up in this video. So to start, we're going to create a. Actually, let's pull up our PowerShell window here. Let's do an npm init tag y, so I don't have to go through all those steps. Alright, got that. Let's see. So let's do new file index.js. Pull PowerShell back up. I'm not done with that. npm I. Let's see, we're going to need express. We're going to need, let me think. We're going to need EJS. We're also going to need, what else are we going to need? What am I forgetting here? Express, EJS, Mongoose, so we can connect to our database. MongoDB is the database I opt to use. There's one more I'm forgetting. What am I forgetting? And we're also going to need the method dash override. Oops. Why am I not typing? So that we can do full CRUD applications. So while that's installing, let's actually pull up the docs for Mongoose, because I can never remember. Oops, that's not what I want. JS, Mongoose JS. There we go. I can never remember the port that we need to connect to. So paste that in. Then we done installing here? Nope, we're still working on that. Oh, now we're done installing. And we've got our 4 packages here in our package select JSON. So we're going to const express equals require express, and then let's see, const app is equal to express, return value of that, and then I always like to set the port number to a variable, so that way we can easily change it. I always like to use 8080 as my port. Let's see, what else do we need? I'm gonna add a .then onto this. Console.log. Console.log. Mongo. String. Mongo connected. And have a dot catch in case of any errors. Error handling is always a good thing. Console.log Mongo error. Save that. Alright. Then we're going to go down here to app.listen, listening on the port that we specified up at the top. Pass in our callback. I always like to console.log so that I know that my port is my app is listening on that port. So we'll console.log that. We'll actually use a string template literal. Listening on port, and we'll do port. Not that, port. There we go. Alright. Next, we'll open up our terminals. Let's see here. We need, I don't want bash, I want, no, PowerShell. There we go. Node. That's what I'm forgetting. I need to install nodemon. npm I. Oh no, I've already got nodemon installed. Never mind. What am I doing? Nodemon index.js. We'll listen for that. And once we're actually going to get an error because I don't have. Let's do this. Let's do MongoDB. Oops. Nope, that's not right. MongoD. There we go. Start a Mongo session. Now we're connected. We got our Mongo connected, and we're listening on port 8080. Let's create a generic get route app.get just to go to our home page. Pass in our callback request response, and then we will just res. For now, we'll just res.send h1, and we'll send welcome to the home page. And this needs to be a string. Save that. Now let's open up Chrome. Let's go to 127.0.0.1:8080. And site cannot be reached. Why is site not reached? Oh, it's not started yet. Here we go. Refresh, and there we go. Welcome to the home page. This will be the start of our application. Soon we'll be able to create a to-do list, and my plan is to have everyone, if you want a new to-do list of your own, you can create one with your name or whatever you want to name it, and then it'll pull from the database all of your saved to-dos that you have under that name. So I think that's it for this video. I'll go ahead and leave it off there. In the next video, we'll start with adding the basic structure of the web page, and yeah, we'll work on it from there. So thanks so much everyone for watching, and goodbye.